how to share an image from Pinterest. As you can see, I'm on my Android phone here, guys. And if I find any image that I want to share, let's say I like this one with the different outfits, I can go ahead and I can scroll down and I can click the three dots to the lower right, and here is a share button. I can click on share, and this is going to allow me now to really share with others from Pinterest, and I can share it like on Facebook, Instagram, through Messenger, messages, WhatsApp, and so forth. Or I can just simply copy the link and share it wherever. And you also have more where you can click in and you can see a lot of different little applications that I can share it to, right? So you have all of these in the list, a whole list, depending on what you have, of course, install on your phone, you will have the list available to you. But some of these are like pretty basic standards for example, an Android phone, while others are always going to be about the applications that you have. So it's going to give you more options. So I have Telegram, that's something that I install on my phone. I have Outlook, I have OneDrive, I have the Messenger, I have the private messenger for LinkedIn, and so forth. So you have it, Instagram, all of those different things are going to be because I have these apps on my phone. But that's it. You choose an app and you choose a person from that app, and that's all that you have to do, guys.